All right, perfect. Well, first I want to welcome you all out tonight. It's such a privilege to have you here to see what we have going on, the momentum and the success that's been taking place from people experiencing the power of the Forex market like never before and really learning how simple it is and how to take advantage of that. What you're going to see here with what we do with Tradera is it's an amazing opportunity for you to be part of something that's absolutely beautiful. But I want to let you know a couple things about us. We're started in 2008. That's when we were founded. We're based here in the United States. We're a financial services platform, right? And we're also a 100% debt-free company. What we do is we teach people how to have the advantage of, one, you have the ability to participate on the network marketing side. But beyond that, what's most powerful about this is $6 trillion a day. I want you to give me a 1 in the chat box if you agree that $6 trillion a day, now you getting access to, there's a very big upside potential. Okay, with this Forex market, most people have no idea that this is something that all of us already have money in. We're talking about over $6 trillion a day is traded. Now, you may be saying, hey, what is Forex? This is the foreign exchange market. What this is all the countries' currencies around the world being traded daily, 5 days a week, amongst each other. It's absolutely beautiful. If you've ever been to an airport and you've went to another country, you have to exchange one country's currency for another. Now, we live in the 21st century where we don't have to just go do things hand over hand. You'll agree that you don't have to mail someone a letter anymore. You can send them a message and it's a lot faster. Well, the same thing has taken place with money. We've upgraded how we've done and made money, and now all of us have the ability to start doing what the banks are already doing with our money. I want to let you know a quick fact because so many people have no idea about this. I've been in the banking industry the last 8 years, and what's been absolutely amazing is seeing that every single one of us, all of our money, if we have any money in a savings account, is already in this market. So what we're going to do tonight is show you how you can be the one benefiting from this market rather than it being just the bank, okay? 2% a year is not okay when the bank is making hundreds of percent off of the money that we have sitting there, okay? So here's the basic goals of what we have going on. We're going to teach you when to buy, when to sell, and when to not get into the market, okay? When most people think of trading, they usually think of the stock market, okay? But with the stock market, number one, it's so much smaller than $6 trillion a day. Look it up yourself. Not to mention, in the stock market, the only way you have to make money is if the economy is going well. And if you've existed long enough than 20 years, you'll realize that economies go up and down, right? And what we're doing is we're realizing, hey, regardless of which way the markets are going, whether it's a good time or bad time in the markets, we have the ability to profit off of that. If you're just in the stock market, if it's a recession or if there's a very strong push down in the market, because right now we're at all-time highs, if we encounter a recession and there's a massive push down, what's going to happen? Well, the rich are going to get richer because the rich are doing this. So we want to show people what's going on with this. We're teaching you trading education, okay? We also have trade alerts, which are as simple as copying and pasting. We have our live sessions, which you're going to be able to attend and be a part of, just as like if you were attending a live classroom. We have our market forecast showing you what's going on in the market. And we have our trade community, okay? With the trading education, it's a 100% online trading education platform, okay? From A to Z, basic to advanced, from really just beginning to understand how the market moves to really becoming a master in the market. This really has step-by-step a process to help you get there, okay? It's so beautiful for me. I've been trading now over 3 years. It's so beautiful for me to see people really begin to see how easy this is. It's really not difficult. Most people just don't have the right resources to help them. And that's what we have here. With our trade alerts, what happens is this is a copy and paste type service, right? They're going to let you know everything that you need to know from the entry point to the exit point, whether the trade goes good or bad, your take profit and your stop loss, okay? So what this does is all you have to do is copy the smart kid. Give me a yes in the chat box if you ever copied someone's test or homework or anything in school, okay? Oftentimes, if you get caught, you get in trouble in that situation. What's beautiful about us is we encourage people to follow the successful people. The people that are having success in the markets, now their success becomes your success by mirroring what they're doing with you having full control at all times of your money, the lot size that you're taking. All they are giving you is the education and then also the signals. Then these are our live sessions. This is where our top traders are conducting these live meetings Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, okay? Sometimes during the holidays, we don't host them just because a lot of people have stuff going on. But normally every single Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, we have one of our live sessions that you can attend as a member. It's really catered to individual trading needs. You have the ability to ask questions at any time. You're not just sitting here watching a recording. This is where you're live in the markets. You're seeing what's going on. A top trader is breaking it down. And if you're anything like me, seeing things in front of you is a lot easier than just hearing about it, which is what I love about the live sessions, right? With the market forecast, this is showing some of the big trade opportunities that they're looking for in the market, some of the bigger moves. So this is really cool for people to have a bigger vision of what they're looking at. Because sometimes with the signals, you may only see the signal, but the facts are there's a bigger picture of what they're looking at in the markets, right? And this market forecast, this is going to help you begin to understand what's going on, and also to take advantage of these moves where you can become profitable at the same time, okay? And then beyond anything, I don't know if you've ever heard that the 5 people that you hang around, usually you're about the equivalent of their income, right? What we're doing here is we're helping people get around people that are actually making money. I don't know about you, but if your environment is not a good environment, it's hard to be successful. If people around you aren't inspirational, people around you aren't getting to the money, it's hard for you to really feel all that excited about it, right? And what I love about this is you get to participate and be a part of our community. It's a family of people who are just excited about helping the average person become more successful, not letting the rich just get richer while humanity goes to hell. You know, like there's a bigger vision than just making money here. We have a passion to help people achieve what they're looking for in life and to actually have the money they have to do what they want to do, okay? Now, on top of the Forex side, there's also a side of sharing it if you desire. Now, let me make this clear. You have no obligation to tell one person that you're participating in the Forex market. You can just trade it just like your bank has done for so long without telling you, okay? But you'll learn that there's 2 types of income. You have active and you have passive, okay? Active is what the majority of people do. 95% of the population is working in a situation where they're having to give their time for money every single day. They're getting up, most people don't love their jobs. 86% of people have said that they wish they did something else. And this is why passive income is so important, okay? Not only is it key that you get your money multiplying for you. Albert Einstein said it's the 8th wonder of the world, compound interest. But to have a residual income on top of that is extremely, extremely powerful. Now, what's beautiful about this company and how simple it is if you want the membership to be free every single month, you're not here to make residual income. You just want a free membership so you can be a part of the community, you can learn the education, and you can really experience what's going on. At this point, if 3 people said, hey, you know, I would love to be a part of this. I would love to begin to learn and to make money. It's as simple as copy and paste and put me on, right? With 3 people, you get a free membership, okay? So you're not paying every single month. You also have the ability to make a $150 fast start bonus off those initial 3 people. Okay, I want to give a little context. You pay $99, 3 people join, you made $150, not to mention now you have a free membership if you don't decide to move forward with the compensation plan. Give me a yes in the chat box if a free membership or getting paid a month every single week makes sense. Okay, one of the things that you guys will learn about me is things have to be practical. You're on this call right now because you're looking for a practical way to change your life. There's no fluff. There's no buff in this. It is what it is. Forex education, trading signals. People are making so much money. Over 300 people have joined the last 20 days, just to give you an idea, just within this organization right here. Pushing over 350 people in 20-something days. This is mind-blowing right now, and people are winning. Now, at the rank of night, this is where 10 people have joined your organization. You didn't get all 10. The way that this works is you only need 3 personals. Once you have 3 personals, anybody else that's on your team, one of those 3 people that you brought on, or maybe somebody helped you with, at that point, we're going to give out their link because you don't need more than 3 people. Now you're helping everybody on the team get paid, which is massive. And it also gives everybody the opportunity to have a free membership too, if they desire that. Okay. As the ranks go up, I don't want to spend too much time on this. Guys, Noble is the 25 people. That's $1,000 a month, $250 every single week. Okay, give me a yes in the chat box if $250 a week wouldn't offend you. Actually, let's make it better. If it would be beneficial to your life. You know, like I'm not saying that you need to come in here and make $10,000 a month in your first 30 days, but what I am saying is that an extra $1,000 a month could help you to trade with and to pay your bills, especially on a residual income basis now, where once it's built, it's built. When you go to work, you have to work that job and you get paid weekly. You don't keep getting paid after that week that you spent there. You get paid off the next week that you're there. Passive income is where you get paid. Residual income is where you're experiencing the power of something that keeps building. Just like when you go and sign up with AT&T, who agrees AT&T gets paid every single month off of you, but you don't get anything out of that? But they created that residual income by getting you a part. Now you're just getting access to the money that's being spent, okay? 3 in, it's free. 3 people come on, you're the rank of founder, it's free. Fast start bonus, if within your first 28 days, you refer 3 people, you're gonna get $150 fast start bonus, okay? Absolutely beautiful. You got the company website, the member community. We do official events, live presentations like the one that you're on now. You can literally just share the calls that we do with people, and they're going to have the ability to jump on and see what we have going on and to take advantage of this. It's so inexpensive. It's $99 every 4 weeks, okay? For the trading education platform, the trade alerts, you get to be a part of the live sessions, the financial market forecast, the trade community, and just so much more. And then once you refer 3 people, if you desire, you can upgrade to the IBO position. If you don't hit the rank of night, this is what's really cool. If you don't hit the rank of night, which is 10 people, not only is your membership free at the rank of founder, so is your IBO membership. So let's say that you didn't rank up, which would be really insane because we have over 60 people that ranked up in the last 25 days. I'm losing my mind right now because I'm like, I've never seen so many people create residual income so fast that's sustainable. Just because it's the right time with the right people in the right situation. It's a beautiful company. So every single week as an IBO, as long as you're ranked, you're getting paid, okay? So you're gonna learn how to trade. You're gonna earn while you learn. You get to participate in the business opportunity if you desire. And beyond anything, you get to be a part of a movement that's inspiring people, educating people, and leading people to a more beautiful life, which is one of the most beautiful things that I get to say about myself. You know, that I'm not doing what I do for me. I get to actually really empower people. And that alone is empowering, you know? There's enough people around the world that are being taken advantage of and not being educated. It's time that we stop that, you know? So I don't want to take too much time on this call tonight. I want to thank you for being here, to take the time to see it. Listen, whoever invited you, I need you to understand it's $99 to get started. Reach out to them right now. Ask them, hey, how do I begin? Help me get started. Every single day, we have so many people getting started, and you have the ability to have those people fall underneath you, okay? I'm going to show you one thing real quick, and then we're going to call it a night and go from here, okay? Now, listen, this is as simple as it gets. Right now, I need you to understand that there's only 3 positions in the organization. I'm going to draw this really quickly for you. I usually wouldn't, but I want you to understand the massive importance of timing. Okay, who agrees that sometimes that there are people that are more successful because they found the right timing more than their actual talent? Can we agree with that? Like there are people that are successful that you wouldn't imagine to be that successful, but they got at the right place at the right time and it worked out well for them, you know? And that's what this situation is, okay? Let me show you this really quickly. Once you have your first 3 people or anybody above you or anybody below you, at that point, there is no other place for people to go. This is why timing is massive. Once you're a part of the community, now everybody else that joins in the community begins to fall underneath you, which means you just saw the compensation plan. You get paid off of what we're doing as a community. It's each one help one actually achieve success, okay? So listen, it's important to get started right now. Reach out to the person that sent you the link, and I look forward to having you a part of this movement, okay? It's absolutely beautiful what's going on, and it's time right now in 2020 that people just learn how to make money from their cell phones. If you're not making money in the Forex markets right now, in the cryptocurrency markets, like you're just living under a rock. The banks are doing it. It's public now. It's not like Forex and cryptocurrency is a question anymore. You know, the banks actually have their own cryptocurrencies. You can pay your AT&T bill with cryptocurrencies. Forex is now, there are colleges that are starting to offer Forex classes, okay? So listen, much love to you. Have an amazing night. Reach back to the person that invited you, and I look forward to having you a part of our community, okay? Much love, everyone. Talk to you soon.